Hello friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you in case you receive any summon from the concerned court, then what are the things which you need to be looked into. In that summon, first thing which you have to check out is the next date of hearing. It means on which date you have to appear before the honorable court. Second thing which you have to look into is the judge name, means who is the judge, where you have to appear, what is the court number of that judge. Third thing which you have to look into is the case number, means case number would help you out to know that what your case is, who has filed a case against you, and you may also get the order sheet. So it means you can also know that up to what stage your matter has been yet proceeded, right? Fourth thing is the case name, means what is the title of the case. Fifth thing is the under what section and what is the FIR number. So means you get to know that basically what the case is against you, means it may be a civil suit, it may be an FIR. So you have to see that under which section that particular case is filed against you. And if you get to know that the FIR number, you may also obtain the copy from the respective websites of different states, right? And the next is sixth one, means what was the date of issuance of summons, means on which date the summons got issued against you. And if nowadays, because some of the courts are working digitally, so in digital court they mention the link and they mention the meeting ID, right? So if your matter is, for example, of 138, so generally nowadays the 138 matters are being heard digitally. It means you do not need to go in the court in person, means you have to just join the particular link. And that link generally is mentioned in, for example, in Delhi, in summon itself the name of the judge and meeting ID and meeting code is already mentioned. So in that case, if the summons is with respect to any digital code, so you have to join accordingly. So these are the basic things, friends, which you need to look into when you receive a summon from the court. If you have any query, you may mention it in the comment box. I will definitely reply of your question. Thank you so much.